Most gardening failures come down to one thing: light. If you're planting the wrong crops in shade, you'll get tiny harvests, leggy stems, and plants that seem to give up on life. Let's fix that. Today we're looking at 20 vegetables that almost always fail in shade. En breiding stakberd zastin darber baulbe, toganning tredessen baan ender drummen nakkerber baan record woud, son stesten dakker damen bakker down stauber dun natter dappernd en dam. Some pro redappered and plant, invest and planten in their place for a garden that thrives, even without full sun. Light equals energy. Less sun, less energy, fewer leaves, fewer fruits, fewer roots, and fruiting plants need a lot of energy, so here are the shade haters you should avoid. 1. Tomatoes. They'll stretch toward the sun and give you almost nothing. Swap with leaf lettuce, loves partial shade and stays tender. 2. Pepper's fruit size drops drastically in low light. Swap with spinach, grows sweeter in cooler shade. 3. Eggplant needs heat plus sun. Shade gives tiny bitter fruit. Swap with pak choi, thrives in dappled light. 4 and 5. Cucumbers plus zucchini. These are sun-hungry vines. Swap with snow peas. They tolerate shade and fix nitrogen into soil. 6 to 8. Pumpkins, melons, winter squash vines, plus fruit, energy drain. Swap with radishes, arugula, and beets. Short roots, quick results. 9 and 10. Corn, plus okra. They're sunlight factories. Shade, sad. Swap with kale, plus Swiss chard, leafy workhorses. 11 to 13. Carrots, parsnips, and turnips. Roots can't bulk up without full sun. Swap with herbs like mint, parsley, cilantro. Surprisingly, shade-friendly. 14 to 16. Sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, cassava. These need long warm days to produce full tubers. Swap with green onions, scallions, garlic greens, light flexible. 17-20. Beans, soybeans, tomatoes, again, strawberries, anything that flowers, fruits, need sun to pay the energy bill. Swap with bush beans in bright shade or rhubarb in deep shade areas. The trick is simple. If a plant produces fruit, it needs 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. If a plant produces leaves, many can thrive with 3 out of 5 hours or filtered light. Here's how to win in a shady garden. Grow leafy greens and herbs as your main crops. Choose quick growers. Use reflective surfaces. Light-colored walls. Mulch with straw. Remove lower branches from trees to open light corridors. Rotate pots as the season shifts. Turn your shade from a frustration into an advantage. Cooler spaces grow some of the tastiest greens you'll ever harvest. Tell me in the comments, which shady veggie failure did you relate to the most? And if this helped you rethink your garden, hit like, share, and subscribe so we can keep decoding soil and growing smarter, together.